Now let's try to understand about how to configure Microsoft Windows security. And as a part of this lab, we will try to understand what are the different types of steps one would take so that we can make sure that security settings are properly configured in a computer in order to protect it. In this particular lab, we will examine several security settings on a Microsoft Windows 10 computer using the Windows interface. For this particular lab, one of the key settings that we see is the start and is the settings option in Windows. Right click on your menu and then go to the settings wheel. Inside the settings wheel, you should be able to look at the update and security options. As you can see over here, the updates can be paused for 7 days. However, when you pause updates, there are warnings, which implies that your device won't be up to date until these updates are paused. These updates will resume on 7 days after. Let me click resume updates. And now you can actually see that the updates are there. You can also view the update history. And in the update history, you can further view the details. For example, you can see here that there are feature updates available in Windows, which needs to be done. Similarly, you can review the details of the quality updates. For example, I can click on an update to extract information. Then I can close the update report later on. For example, I can see the details. What are the types of updates that were implemented. Now let me click on the update options. Let me set this off option to on. This will allow Microsoft's update to be installed. Further, in the advanced options, you can choose other options. Choose when updates are installed. Okay, all right. Set to 0. In the Windows security, in the virus and threat protection. Let me look at the current threats. And let me try to perform a quick current scan. Let's go ahead and look. Which choice is not a form of antivirus scanning that compares known virus patterns to this is heuristic analysis, which is not a form of anti heuristic monitoring is also known as none of these. Antivirus programs scan files during which of these events? Anti-malware products protect against. What is the maximum number of days? I think it can only be 14 days. All right. So it looks like the maximum number of days is 30. It is also known as dynamic analysis. Let me stop the share.